Two thumbnails, same video, same title. One got 3% CTR, the other hit 14%. That difference alone tripled the reach. Nothing changed in the content. Nothing changed in the title, only the thumbnail. And if your packaging isn't engineered properly, you're losing views before YouTube even tests your video. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what changed and how I generated multiple high CTR variations in minutes. Most creators think their content is the problem. It's not. YouTube decides how wide to push your video based on one thing first: click-through rate. If nobody clicks, retention doesn't matter. And the fastest way to improve CTR isn't guessing. It's testing variations. So I ran an experiment: manual thumbnails versus AI-generated structured variations. And I wanted to see if speed and structured design would make a measurable difference. Here's the issue. Designing thumbnails manually takes time. You open Photoshop or Canva. You adjust text. You move things around. You tweak colors. You second guess yourself. And by the time you finish one version, you're tired. So you upload one thumbnail and hope. But serious creators don't hope. They test. So I looked for a way to generate structured variations faster. That's where Thumb Magic came in. Thumb Magic lets you create thumbnails in 3 ways. You can paste a YouTube link, upload your video file, or paste your transcript. For this example, I'll paste a YouTube link. Let's say I created a video titled, "Why You're Always Tired." I paste the link and click process. Now it analyzes the video. Next, you choose a style. There are multiple long-form styles and short-form styles, more being added over time. Before selecting a style, you upload your face. Click Create Avatar. Upload a clear front-facing image. Name your avatar. Click Create. Now the face is saved. I'll choose the before-after style. Why? Because transformation is powerful. Before and after instantly communicates change. And change is one of the strongest psychological triggers for clicks. Now the AI generates 2 variations. This takes about 20 seconds. And now we have options. When the thumbnails appear, I don't just look at design. I analyze structure. Is there emotional contrast? Is the lighting separating subject from background? Is the text readable at small size? Is there visual tension? Notice what's happening here. The before side is darker, lower energy, slightly messy. The after side is brighter, cleaner, more open. Same person, same frame, different emotional signal. And that contrast tells the story instantly, even before you read the text. This is what I mean by structured design. It's not random. It's intentional contrast. If you want to tweak something, you don't have to start over. Just click on Modify and then hit on the element you want to change. You can modify the text, adjust the style, change the emotion, even refine the face. For example, if I want this text to pop more, I can click it and tell the AI, change the yellow text to green, hit Generate. Done. Here's why most thumbnails underperform. Too much text, no clear focal point, no emotional expression, no contrast, no curiosity gap. If everything is loud, nothing stands out. The brain needs one focal subject, one emotional cue, one tension point, not clutter. That's why structured styles help. They force discipline. Now let's compare the manual and AI thumbnails. Here's a manual thumbnail I could design. Clean, informative, logical. Now here's the AI variation. Stronger contrast, clearer emotion, sharper color separation. Which one would stop you mid-scroll? Most creators design what looks good, but high CTR thumbnails are engineered for attention, not aesthetics. Here's how I test my thumbnails. I upload version A. Let it run for 5 hours. Track CTR in YouTube Studio. If the CTR drop quickly, then I switch to version B. Monitor change in impressions in CTR. You're not guessing. You're collecting data. The faster you can generate structured variations, the faster you learn what your audience responds to. And that's the real advantage. Quick transparency, I'm not saying this tool will make your videos viral. When you post a video, you need to be checking your CTR. Why? YouTube tests your videos with a few audiences before it pushes to a wider audience. If those audiences are not clicking, the algorithm will stop pushing it. It's a fact. To improve your CTR, you'll need to test more thumbnails to see which one gets higher CTR. This tool will help you create thumbnail variations faster than using other tools. If you decide to try it, I've put my link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. See you in the next video.